So we just got here 20 minutes ago. The snow here took me by surprise. We're about 100 kilometers straight south of here, and we had pouring rain all last night. But I guess while we were having rain, they were having snow up here. So it's probably about 4 or 5 inches of fresh snow. So I'm gonna shovel everything out, and then carry everything out of the truck into the cabin. This is officially our first night here. We're pretty excited. Now for some shoveling. What are you doing? So as you can see, the sun is going down. That was obviously a Sasquatch over there. Sam Squatch. I think it was right around 0 today, Celsius, and it's going down to minus 20 degrees tonight. So you can kind of feel the cold settling in. So got all sorts of gear to carry down from the truck, and a big concrete mantle to go behind the wood stove. It's gonna be a fun little project. I just want to get it all down here before it gets dark. So we just got everything brought down inside. It's almost completely dark out now. Fire's roaring. So next job is to get that memory foam mattress up the stairs and lay it on the bed and get it expanding before bedtime. Hopefully it expands quick enough. You ready for your dinner? Eh? Are you ready for some dinner? Yeah? Okay, where's your bowl? So we poured this big concrete mantle this week. It's 47 inches long, 3.5 inches thick, and 7.5 inches deep. So it's going to go right across here behind the wood stove. So made these corbels or brackets out of glued up pine. And got these big structural screws to go out into the logs. That should work. It's about almost 100 pounds, so it's a fair bit of weight. And we're working right behind a red hot wood stove. Should be interesting. So we kind of get it up, get a half balance on this one.
Do you want me on this side or that side?
I'm not sure yet. Where about my poor little toes? Here, let's see if we can go on that. Watch your fingers. finally got the bed all made up. Took a long time for the mattress to expand. Probably 3 hours. So first rolled it out. I was expecting it to expand up, but not lengthwise. But it was about 8 inches short. I thought I'd ordered the wrong one or something. But it expanded out lengthwise as well. Perfect fit. Nice moose pattern quilt. It's almost bedtime. So obviously she cheated. 216 to 188. I'm not sure how, but she cheated. There's going to be a rematch. Next trip, winner takes all. No holds barred. But you have to say for yourself. So we made it through our first night here at the cabin anyways. Pretty uneventful. Never done nothing outside. It's just too bitter cold. It was minus 25 last night. And so we just hunkered down here. Caught up on some reading. Played some Scrabble. Done a couple more small projects. Got them off the list. Got this mantle all in place. Turned out pretty good. I'm liking it. Weighs a ton. Looks good. Finally got this little shelf on. It's all done. I thought you guys might like this. Here's a double bit axe I forged a few years ago. There's actually another video on YouTube of it back when it was brand new, but it snapped the handle off, so I just rehandled it this week. Oiled it up with some linseed oil. Looks pretty neat. So definitely can't wait till spring when we can get the bathroom in and drains all hooked up. If you guys have ever tried taking a number 2 in an outhouse at minus 25, you'll appreciate where I'm coming from. So for any of you guys that were wondering, we give the mattress 2 thumbs up. Just a cheap memory foam mattress off Amazon. I think it was 300 bucks roughly. It very comfortable. Sadly, the sun's going down. It's time to get out of here again. Truck's running, all warmed up, ready to go. Hazel's ready to go. She's funny. She's coming up here, but she's ready to go home when it's time. Every time you head towards the truck, she just takes off and stands beside it. You see where the snow let go off the roof. The other side, the downhill side, is actually shot right over the path going back to the outhouse and halfway down the hill. It's going to be nice when spring hits and all this is gone and we can finally do some exploring and some more outside projects. A little more interesting stuff to film. Got all sorts of fun ideas here. There's going to be a shed here on the end of the driveway, so I can keep the ATV up here and generator and stuff. That way somebody can steal it nice and easy. And got some fun projects over that way as well. They're top secret yet though. Guys out of here. Scrabble cheater. How can you live with yourself? So, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Even if you didn't like the video. Be much appreciated. They'll get better. We swear. Take care.